Which one should I unbox? This one first? This one? Or this one? Oh boy, here we go. Today, guys, I am unboxing some products that were sent to me. The first item I'm going to be unboxing is this kitchen appliance. First, I'm going to open this up. I'm also going to be unboxing some bedding. So let's get into the video. Hey y'all, welcome back to another YouTube video. I am Miss J. This is Faith's Funhouse and Mommy Vlogs. If you're new to my channel, welcome, welcome, and welcome. If you're new here, like, comment, and subscribe. Share this video. Let's get into it. Okay, so the first item I'm going to be unboxing, this is from a company called Topzee, and they sent me a air fryer. So I'm going to take a look. I'm going to open it and show you guys what they sent. I will also have the link in my description, just in case you would like to order yourself one. So let me open it up and get into this package. Very good box. Oh, so big. Okay, so this is a Topzee air fryer kitchen appliance. Okay, so the brand is Topzee. This is a mini air fryer. It comes with a pamphlet and the instructions. It has a recipe book with it, so you can make all of your favorite dishes, okay? So this is really cool, guys. You can make French fries, hamburgers, grilled cheese. You can make broccoli. Wow, you can make stuffed bell peppers, pizza, chicken kebabs. You can make chocolate cake in here. Word? Okay. Okay, so you can make corn, French toast sticks, wings. It has tons and tons of yummy vegetables that you can do yourself inside of this pamphlet, guys. So let's get into the bigger picture, what we've been waiting for. Okay, so this is really good to have if you have like a lot of things on your counter and you need to have space. This is a mini air fryer. I just think it's just really, really cute. I'm trying to take it out the box, guys. Okay. Look how cute this is. Look how cute and mini this is. I just think this is so cute. I've read the reviews and it said this thing, even though it's mini, don't let the size fool you, okay? They saying that for a reason, and y'all know where I'm coming from. Don't let the size fool you. This thing is very powerful, okay? It has cook with custom temperature. You can roast, you can fry. It has a reset menu on here. It's non-stick. It's good for washing it in the dishwasher, which is really great. So cook no more and clean less. So if you're that type of person in the house where you don't feel like getting pans and pots and all that, and you want to make you some fish nuggets or some chicken nuggets or some fried chicken, honey, you don't got to clean up all the dishes. You can just, you know, you don't got to clean up all those pots and pans. You can just pull out your air fryer and make it do what it do, and the food would be just delicious, girl. Like, for real. You can make fish, you can make meatballs, French fries, you can make pizza, chicken, steak. You can make everything in this little container. Let me just open it up and see what it looked like in size. I just want to see the size and size, because you know size can fool you, okay? So let's see. Okay. Nice little compartment in there. So this is what the size look like, okay? Nice little size. We're just gonna add this to our cooking collection in the kitchen. And yeah, this is a nice little size, nice and cute, nice and compact. If you are interested in this, I have a link that you can use to grab yours today. All right. Make sure you use Faith's Fun. Wait a minute, what is it? Faith's Fun. What is it? Faith's Fun. What was my Make sure you use my link in the description to save your coins and grab yours today. I will have that link in the description. It is Faith's Fun Saves, okay? So grab yours today. You're going to love this. This is really nice to have in the kitchen. Cook you a nice little quick meal. And then when you use an air fryer, honey, it's more healthier. You don't have to worry about all that grease, all that oil. And, you know, you're going to be eating more healthier. So who really want to have, you know, all that grease and all that things too when you're making your food? I know I don't. So if you like this little mini air fryer, click on the link, grab yours today. You will not be sorry. You're gonna love it, because we're gonna love it too, honey. We're gonna have a good time with this one in the kitchen added on as well. Okay, so let me get into the next item. I'm going to be showing you guys my bedding that I received. Okay, so thank you, Topzee, for this collaboration. We're gonna love it. Okay, let's get into the next item, and that is gonna be my bedding. So let's get into it. This is okay, so now we're gonna open up the bedding. This is from a company called Croscill, where they sell luxury bedding. Okay, so if you checked out my other videos, I did receive bedding from them in a prior video. So Croscill is a luxury company that sells bedding. They sell pillows, covers, they sell curtains, they sell bathroom accessories, very nice hotel feel. It just gives your bedroom a nice luxury look. I have a comforter in the color of white, and I am going to put this on my bed and see what it do, okay? So this is, it came in a box, but the box was just really big, so I just took it out the box. This is the bag it came in. Look how pretty, honey. It got the leather little buckles on the side. Like I said, this company is luxury, honey. So I will have the link in the description just in case you want to go and get yours today. Look at the little golden buckles on the side. Isn't that cute? I think I really like this bag. It's just really cute. It's gold, which is the color of my room accessories. And we're going to get into this quilt. So I have pillow sham covers that is from Croscill, the same company, and I got 2. So I'm going to open these up and get into it. I will have the link just in case you want to take a look at these as well. So I got 2 of these, and I'm going to put these with that comforter. And I'm going to see what it look like, okay? So these are in the color of white. And they look really, really comfortable. I love the material. So let me get into these. Now, if this ain't just fancy, I don't know what to call it, honey. Look at this. Croscill, it has the name on it, honey. The material, I don't know, maybe this is just the bag that's like really silk. I'm gonna think this is just the bag. Like, look how fancy this is with the little button, honey. So let me open this. Okay, so this is the little satin bag, honey, that this come in. So let me just take this out. And ooh, this is a nice size pillow cover, and it is really cute and satiny. This is really cute. All right, so it's a nice big size. I love the material on here as well. So I love the fabric. It got the little lines on here going on. So let me get into it. Let's go on and over here by the bed and just, let's make it up and see what this gonna look like. So this is the other one. Let me just open this up really quick. So just in case you didn't know, I am in a partnership with Croscill, okay? So I am just so super excited about that. So when I did the first video with them, they contacted me back to be in a partnership, honey, with their brand, their products. So I am just super excited about that part, okay? So let's go on ahead and make up the bed, y'all. Kudos.
Take your frustration out on me. Strum it out, strum it out, strum it out. Oh, you need to take your fingers and run them all through my strings. Strum it out, strum it out, strum it out. You can play in the key of love. It's all about us. Strum it out, strum it out, strum it out. Oh, my body's your instrument. You can play a song all night long. Be a guitar hero. Play me like Jimmy, teach me a new song. Boy, I know plenty. Play me like a rock star. Strumming on my guitar. Ooh, it's getting intense. Make me hit tough cry. Play me like Prince. And now you play me. That's why you're so galaxy. Get down, guitar hero. Oh, you're playing me like you're on a mission. It's the surface, the stars in the sky. I need you to shine my life. Not just for the meanwhile, for a long, long time. Better believe it. Whenever you're not in my presence, it feels like I'm missing my blessings, yeah. So I sleep through the daylight, stay awake all night. Till you're back again, oh yeah, yeah. You think I'm biased to my significant other. You hit it right on the head, only been missing my lover. Got a phone that I text to my phone and I don't reply. The next day boss tell you I they're mad at me. Yeah, yeah. Ain't worried about nobody else. Things you over myself. You make me complete. You're all that matters to me. Yeah, yeah. What's a king bed without a queen? There ain't no hiding thing. You make me complete. You're all that matters to me. Get the gas out the car, it won't drive. So I feel when you're not by my side.